In this section, we're going to learn what ERP Enterprise Resource Planning is. Enterprise Resource Planning is business management software, usually a suite of integrated applications that a company can use to store and manage data from every stage of business. ERP provides an integrated real-time view of core business processes using common databases maintained by a database management system. ERP systems track business resources such as cash, raw materials, production capacity, and the status of business commitment sale orders, purchase orders, and payroll. Each department can enter the business data into a central system. All the other departments can then share the information in real time. ERP facilitates information flow between all business functions and manages connections to outside stakeholders. SAP ERP offers a broad suite of products, and its core functionalities and concept applies to standard business processes. In the meantime, you can also customize the configurations to adapt your industry and company-specific needs. According to the company, the main benefits of ERP include alignment with company goals, reduced total cost of ownership, flexibility for industry changes, risk reduction, optimized IT, improved return on investment, and more enterprise system benefits. To wrap up, by implementing ERP, Enterprise can better manage its corporate resources and plan for optimal usage and effective management for a successful operation. Let's see what the everyday business operations in ERP are. Generally, business operations have been broken down into four main categories: primary operations, extended operations, corporate financials, and HR. Firstly, primary operations, production, sales and procurement are different key operational processes often handled in different functional departments, and each of these key processes triggers activities in the other processes. As an example, orange production business processes can be triggered by sales orders, then procurement needs are triggered by production planning or selling stocks. All of these processes are part of the ERP solution. Sales, procurement and production are considered to be the primary operational activities. Secondary activities include quality management, plant maintenance, customer service and warehouse management. Of course, the process priority is determined by a company's needs. All of the key operational processes integrate with each other and can be running within one central ERP system. Not only do these logistical processes integrate with each other, but they also integrate with ERP financials and ERP human capital management. The operational processes delivered through SAP ERP can be extended with the solutions included in SAP Business Suite. For example, Orange Company wants to optimize and centralize their production planning processes and expand their marketing and sales capabilities, so they can implement SRM, supplier relationship management, and CRM, customer relationship management. To extend your company's success by managing spend, optimizing resources, complying with financial reporting requirements, and streamlining operations even better, ERP Financials will help get you there. With the seamless integration, ERP Financials support both local and consolidated reporting, evaluate real-time business accurately, and manage the corporate financials at the most optimal level. HR Information Management System includes the basic HR activities and processes with the information technology field, whereas the programming of data processing systems evolved into standardized routines and packages of ERP software. The function of human resources departments is generally administrative and common to all organizations. Organizations have formalized selection, evaluation and payroll processes. Efficient and effective management of human capital progressed to an increasingly imperative and complex process. The HR function consists of tracking existing employee data, which traditionally includes personal histories, skills, capabilities, accomplishments and salary. To reduce the manual work of these administrative activities, organisations began to electronically automate many of these processes by introducing specialised human resource management systems. As we know, introducing SAP into an organisation is really time costly, expensive and costly in terms of work. So what's the number one reason to implement SAP? The answer we have is to enable innovation. Now we have to implement new SAP applications which will help you boost efficiency and decrease your cost of doing business. Imagine you are the CEO of a multinational company. You may have lots of different software for different processes and you don't have easy access to information about your business. Business processes are hardly carried out like this. Accounting takes longer and is more difficult, or sales and the customer experience are suffering. Everything we mentioned above indicates that the IT system is too complex and time-consuming. SAP ERP offers a broad suite of products to solve these problems, containing the core business functionalities and concepts applied to standard business processes, and you can also customize the configurations to meet your industry and company-specific requirements. According to the company, the main benefits of ERP include alignment with company goals, reduced total cost of ownership, flexibility for industry changes, risk reduction, optimized IT, improved return on investment, and more enterprise system benefits. SAP ERP implementation is the whole of the process that defines a complete method to implement SAP ERP in an organization. SAP software brings together a variety of elements of a business: accounting, human resources, customer relations, purchasing or inventory, and manufacturing or product development. Pulling all these things together into computer software requires a massive amount of planning, investigation, and ultimately setting up the software. Everyone involved in an SAP project needs to work with a wide range of people within the company and have a detailed knowledge of all aspects of the software. The SAP implementation method is based on best practices and case studies from various literature sources and presents a collection of processes and products that make up a complete implementation method to allow any organization to plan and execute the implementation of SAP software.